So here we are, Juneteenth. Juneteenth, my purple bamboo. That thing's like, geez, I don't know, 10 foot tall, my new shoot. 10 footer there. This other one's probably only about 5 or 6. But then I'm looking over here today at this one. And this was a pretty good sized transplant. So this was a pretty good sized transplant. And it got pretty bushy. It's over 10 foot tall. And I was walking out here and I looked and I was like, whoa, check it out. New, big, huge new shoot there. So I backed up and I look over, there's another one right there. So I got two, I don't know, they're about 3 foot tall already. Let's go here and see how my other ones are doing. Now this is the one that I transplanted a month or two ago and been going kind of slow, kind of shocked it a little bit. But it's hanging on, lost a few leaves, didn't get quite as bushy as some of the other ones. But I think it's getting rooted in now. And you can see it's got some moisture in the sand today because we did get about 1 inch of rain. And here's this bunch with 3 new shoots in there. Well, 2 pretty good. The 2 are doing pretty good. This other one's going kind of slow. I thought it was going to be bigger by now, but it's still just barely. And I got to get all these vines out of here. These can't be allowed to get onto up onto the bamboo. So those are doing good. Peanut went to the vet today and got some ear medicine. He got her ears cleaned out. That one's doing pretty good. Don't see any other ones there yet. And then this one over here, which is, whoa, holy cow, there is another one in there. Look at that right there. Man, it's like 3.5 foot tall. I did not see that one. But this one put out this comb early, probably like, geez, over a month ago, and it's about 15 foot tall, and now it's got that, geez, 4.5 footer back there. I never even noticed. Surprise. Peanut weighs 82.5 pounds. She is big. Come on, Peanut. Whoa, Peanut, back up. I just getting ready to leave, and I got mosquitoes attacking me. Get out of the way. It's just getting ready to leave. This is my 3, my triple coming up here. And if Peanut doesn't step on it, get out of there. Come on, get out of there. I got the 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I got another one coming up right there, 4. So, man, that's going to be a huge clump pretty soon. Wish these other ones would get with it. I must have put extra fertilizer on that or something. And I got my 22 footer here that was in the pot for about a year before I transplanted it. And oh my goodness. I was just coming, I looked at this the other day. I did not see anything coming out of there. And there it is. First shoot there. First time I saw that. So wow. That's awesome. This is, yeah, that's kind of hard to see there, but yeah, that's it. It's already about 4 inches tall. So cool. That is really, wow. So that's like, what, 2, 3 new shoots I found today, just making the video. Well, this is my biggest clump. Let's see if we can find something in here. I keep looking for something in here, but my neighbor got to drive 60 miles an hour down our little road. Retard. And he's got to go down and do some donuts and shit. He's an idiot. And there's a nice little foot tall one. I haven't seen anything. You got a lizard over there? You got lizards in there? Where's that lizard at? Oh, there's another one. Brand new one. Didn't see that one before. Now there is another. Now this one, of course, I've seen before because it's almost 2 foot tall. Kind of hard to see there in the sunlight. Now there was another one. Oh, yeah, there's that one there. I've seen that one. And then there's another one down here, right there. I've seen that one. And I don't see anything else new here yet, but yeah, I don't see anything new here. And my giganteus has got, that's about 3 foot tall now. And this one I'd like to see one coming up, but I just made this one skinny one last year. That was my first really good sized diameter transplanted new shoot. It was about 12 foot tall when I put it in. It grew a bunch of branches, but it just made that one skinny shoot so far. See anything coming up in here on these either. This particular piece right here was a piece that laid down, and it was like it was like a natural clone kind of. It was a fallen over stock, and it made this, and I thought it was going to do really well since it was kind of naturally rooted and everything. Then I gave it a little bit of care and plant, and it put up this one shoot here, and that's all it's really done so far in about 2.5 years. So that one went a little slower than I was thinking. It seems like the best ones to get are anything that's like pencil size or a little bigger. Come on, get over here. No, you're not going out the road. Come here. Come here. Yeah, you just get a little skinny one, the size of your finger or so, pencil sized, and put those in, and within a year or so, well, except for these little ones like this one didn't do so good, but usually they do pretty good. That one doesn't get a lot of sun there. That might be that problem. But yeah, this whole hedge here, that whole thing was made in 1.5 years, and it actually continues down through here, but the palm tree and this other oak are in the way right now. And yeah, in a couple more years, this is just going to be a solid, probably 40, 50 foot tall hedge, screen wall. I mean, this one comb right here, this is, over 2-inch diameter right now. It's probably, that thing's going to be at least 20 foot tall. And my littlest, tiniest, newest babies, Dendrocalamus asper, source 1. I ended up getting 5 out of the 7, so 2 of them got eaten by ants or failed. And this one I thought was dead, but it came forth with a little leaf, and it's doing okay. So I'm getting them out into a little bit more sun during the day. They're doing pretty good. And of course those are from May 25th. Most of those sprouted and got planted in there. And there's my goldfish. He's very happy with all the new fresh water that's been here. It's already getting kind of green. The other day I had it all flushed out, and it was really clear all the way to the bottom. He's beautiful. Look at the color on him. So that's about it. And those are all my long internodes. There's about 20 of them there, just upsized into those 3-gallon pots. And most of them got new shoots. A bunch of them do. So they're doing really good. Don't have to water those today. They got their inch of rain. So that's about it. Cut.